Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial about Forex Factory. That's the whole Forex Factory app or website. So here is the page of the Forex Factory. As you can see here, it's forum, trades, news, calendar, market, and brokers. So there are many things that you can check on this Forex Factory. So that is how it looks when you open it. But this one is a filtered one. So it's already filtered. As you can see here, you can only see a high medium impact and low medium impact. So let me show you how an unfiltered Forex Factory calendar looks like. Unfiltered one. So the unfiltered one is this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Unfiltered one. Let's see how it looks. How it looks like. Unfiltered one. This one is an economic calendar. It's a calendar. This one is a calendar. So you can create an account with them. It's a free website, guys. It's a free app. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to purchase anything. It's free. You check everything: news, trades, forums, calendar, market, and brokers, guys. Here are the currency pairs. Currency pairs, guys. As you can see on the screen here, currency pairs, bit, pip, percentage. So you can just go here and log in, or you can press here and join if you want to create an account with them. Let me just click very quickly so that I can show you the whole thing, because this video is all about the whole Forex Factory thing, the whole how it works. So you just here, you put in your username, you put in a password, you retype the password, you put in your email address and where you are trading from, and then you confirm, then you join Forex Factory. I'm a member already, so I don't have to click on this one again. So yeah, if you want to log in, you can just go here and then you press there, you put in your email or username, and then you type in your password, then you click in on login. So there you are done like that. So now let's come back at the calendar. The most important thing on this Forex Factory, it's only this calendar. That is the most important thing on the Forex Factory. Calendar, guys, calendar. And you can also check the market, and the brokers also. But the most important one is calendar. So now let's check. This is how an unfiltered. This is how an unfiltered calendar looks like, guys. It involves everything. So this one, let me just go back. Let me go back to the one that is unfiltered. Let me just put everything back the way it is. This is how an unfiltered calendar looks like. It includes everything. So this one is a low, as you can see here on the screen, a low medium, a low impact expected, low impact expected. That is yellow. Orange is medium impact expected, medium impact expected. And the red is high impact expected, high impact expected. This means that, okay, the news that will come, it will be highly volatile, guys. It will be highly volatile. It can take you out. It can blow your account within a second. This is expected, a low impact expected, and the orange one is a medium impact expected, and the red one is a high impact expected. So what you have to focus on here is the date. The date of the news release. The date of the news will be released. As you can see here on my this one is on, it was on Sunday. It was on Sunday, but this one is you cannot count it because it's on Sunday. So obviously on Sunday we don't trade. Monday, April the 17th. This one is happened. This news was released on Monday, April the 17th. So the next one on Tuesday, the following date, it was on Tuesday, April 18. You look at date and you check at the time. The time of the news release. Those are the things that you have to pay attention to. And you have to pay attention to the currency pair. The currency. As an example, NZD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Great Britain pound, US dollar, Australian dollar, euro, just like this, man. And here is an impact. That is where you have to pay attention. And also, at the what kind of news it will be released. What kind of news? As you can see here, IMF meetings, business, NZD, New Zealand Services Index, foreign securities purchases, wholesales, M&M, Empire State Manufacturing Index. So the most important one is normally news about GDP, CPI, unemployment rate, average earning index, CPI, let's say PPI, and what else? Unemployment claims, FOMC, and what else? NFP. Those kind of news. Let me see. I'll go through. So now, let's go to the next one. Now the next one is the details of the news. The details of the news. You just have to tap here. You tap here. You click on this thing, and then you go through here at the specs. So the source, you have to look at the source, where the news is coming from. Federal Reserve Bank of New York measures level of a diffusion index based on surveyed manufacturers in the New York State. Usual effect. You have to look at here. Look at this one. Usual effect. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, guys. If it is actual, as you can see here, if the actual is greater than the forecast, guys. If the actual is greater than the forecast. If what they predict, if what came out is greater than what they predict, then it's good for the currency. Meaning that what they release, if it is greater than what they forecast, then it will be good for US dollar currency, as you can see here, because I tapped on this new news which is related to the US dollar, Empire State Manufacturing Index. So frequency released monthly, you have to check here again. Released monthly around the middle of the current month. So meaning that it is released monthly around every month around the middle of the current month. Next release. You have to look at the next release. So the next release was on May 15, 2023. FF notes above above 0.0 indicates improving conditions. Below indicates worsening conditions. Why trade cares? Why do forex traders? Why do big institutions? Why do retail traders care? about this. Especially here, we have to focus on retail traders. Us. Why do retail traders care about that certain news release? It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to the market conditions, and changes in their sentiment can be an early signal of future economic activity, such as spending, hiring, and investment. Derived via a survey of about 200 manufacturers in the New York State, which asks respondents to rate the relative level of general business conditions, also called New York Manufacturing Index, guys. I went through that, the whole explanation of that. You just press in this thing, and then it will bring up this page, this small page. So here is the history of the release of that certain news. History of the, you can check more if you want. You can check more if you want more of where, when they release, where when it was released, the previous one. So you can click on the history of the previous release of that certain news. As you can see here, actual, forecast, and previous one. So if you want to go back, from this, if you want to go back, you just press this arrow, this cross here. If you press it, then you go back like that. It's easy as that. So here you just have to check. The main focus one is forecast and actual. Focus and actual, guys. Previous one is also important, but the main one, when the news release is out, you have to focus on the focus and actual. As I went through, guys, I went through that, guys. Let me go back at the let me go check another news. Let me check at GBP CPI. Okay, I will just click here, then I'll go through. Let me just check here. Card CPI. Oh, my network is tripping now. I don't know what the heck is going on, but yeah. Let me just check here. I already went through that one, so yeah. So let me just check the other one. We'll go to the next one. So US dollar PMI. So yeah, the PMI. This is the PMI. So as you can see here, this one, the whole news is about purchasing managers index, the PMI. So the source, S&P Global, measures level of a division index based on surveyed purchasing manager in the manufacturing industry. Usual effect, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. If the actual is greater than forecast, then it's good for the US dollar. So frequency, released monthly around 3 weeks into the current month. So the next release is on May 23, 2023. So FF notes above 50.0 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. There are two versions of this report released about a week apart, fresh and final. The fresh release, which the source of the first reported in May 2012, is the earliest and thus tends to have the most impact. It's a leading indicator. Why trades care? It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to the market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the economy, into the company's view of the economy. Derived via surveys of about 800 purchasing managers, which asks respondent to rate the relative level of business conditions, including employment, production, and new orders, and prices, and supply, deliveries, and inventories. Acro expand purchasing managers index, as I said. So let's go to the next one. And the next one is just to filter the whole thing. If you want to filter, if you just want to focus on the most, on the orange one and the red one, those are the one that are you have to focus on. This one, they have low medium impact, so you don't have to pay attention to this one. This one you don't have to pay attention to the yellow one. That's why, that is where the filter comes in. That's where you filter the whole thing, the whole calendar, for you to focus on red ones and orange one. So let me go through again. You just go to this filter words up here, and then you check here, guys. As you can see, guys, you can click on the box where there's a tick. So here you tick. Now here I don't want to focus on this one, so I want it out of my calendar, and this one also I want it out. So I just have to focus on these two, medium one, and high impact. And event types, you can check here. So you have to click all of them. Me, I click all of them. So you have to check currencies also. Currencies, you just click all. If you don't want the Chinese one, you just click it out. GBP, you click it out if you don't trade GBP. So me, I click all of them. And then you come here at apply filter. You apply the filter that you chose. When you filter, you apply it now. When you apply it, it will appear like this on the calendar. It will obviously appear on this one like this. It will appear like this. Here, as you can see, we only have high impact news and medium impact news. So I don't have to focus on the other low, medium, and this other one, the other color and stuff like that. So yeah, now this is the whole filtered one, the whole filtered calendar. So to check on the brokers, you just check, you click on it. You click on it, and then you check all the brokers that you want, or that you are already trading. You check at the headquarters, founded, when it was founded, regulators, where it is regulated, which bodies regulate certain broker that you are trading in. Platforms, how many platforms are they having? Max leverage, minimum trades, euro, and the spreads, guys, and the support, the base currency and stuff like that, guys. You just check here, and then you click on brokers, and then you receive all this information, guys. You can go through yourself here. You just check which broker is regulated, where it is regulated, when it was founded, where is their headquarters, how many platforms are they having, and stuff like that. So yeah, here you have to just go through yourself. In the market, but some of this one you don't have to go through, especially the market. This other stuff you don't have to focus on this one. I just focus on the brokers, calendars, and the news. And the news also, if you want to go through the news, you just check here, you read the news. That's all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below where you don't understand, guys. Comment down below where you don't understand. For that one, if you liking the video, sharing the video, it will help me with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, I'm doing this for free. I'm not selling any courses. I'm not selling any signals. I'm not doing any mentorship. So I'm just doing this for free, guys, for you to learn, just for free. As you can see, most of the traders, they are selling this information. You will not get it anywhere, because many forex traders, many forex mentors, they are selling their information, guys. Me, I'm not selling anything. I'm not interested in that thing. So I'm only interested in teaching you for free, guys, giving you this kind of information for free. So do me this favor by liking the video, subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Guys, I have a free Telegram group. Where I drop all the trades, all the information related to the Forex. I drop them in our group. The group is for free. You join for free. Guys, I have a free Discord also. I will drop the link in the video description so that you just click on it and then it will take you to Telegram or Discord. So it's for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. So bye, guys.